To create these earrings you will need 14 round crystals 4 mm, 14 round crystals 6 mm, 8 round crystals of other color 6 mm, 8 bicon crystals 8 mm, 4 pearls 6 mm, 6 pearls of 8 mm, earring hoops, then eye pins, head pins, like this I will have, round nose pliers and cutters. So we start. We take our 8 mm bead and the head pin. Then we take our round nose pliers, we bend the pin, we cut a bit shorter this pin, and we create the loop. Like this. We take eye pin, we open the loop of the eye pin here, and we attach our first bead to this loop, like this. For now we won't need it. Next step, what we need to do, we need to take our head pins and go inside to the all of the beads what we have, like crystals and bicons and pearls. So basically we need to go with these head pins into the every bead what we have. Now we bend all these head pins in every bead. Now we need to cut extra. We don't need such a long tail here, so we just need to cut like this. We need to leave around 1 centimeter, not more, and we do it with every bead. Just cut the tail. We take round nose pliers and we start to create loops for every bead. After finishing all our beads, we can start to create the earring. I have here one ready, like this. So, and we will create second one. We take our eye pin with the bead, what we created in the beginning, and we start. We take one pearl of 8 millimeters, one pearl of 6 millimeters, again 1 8, 1 6. Then we take 8 millimeter bicon, 6 millimeter round crystal, again 1 bicon, 1 6 millimeter crystal, like this. Check that it's from all sides, it's like next to each other. Again 1 bicon, 1 6 millimeter crystal, 1 bicon, 1 crystal. Then we take one crystal of other color of 6 millimeters. Again 6 millimeters other color. And this. Again one color, other color. Again one color, other color. You can decide here what kind of design you want, so it's up to you. But I prefer big beads from the beginning here, and then you go slowly to the smaller beads, like that they are more full, and I don't know, I like it more like that. And in the end I put all crystals of 4 millimeters. To finish the earrings, we take one crystal of 6 millimeter and one crystal of 4 millimeter. We check. And then, before you cut the eye pin, you need to be sure that every beads are like next to each other. There is no holes between them. That's why you need to take it out more, and then when you are sure that all beads are next to each other, you just bend this pin like this. You cut extra. And you create the loop. Like this. We take our hoop. We open it. This. And more. And we close it like this. Our earrings are ready. You can create something like this. This is the same technique what we used. Just here I have Swarovski crystals and pearls and hearts, not the beads. And one more idea for you. With the same technique you can create something like this with the gemstones and crystals.